Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafidatulia, my student number 084. Here our group will present about the material is designing classroom language test. And the first material is test type. There are one language aptitude test. One type of test is a language aptitude test. That test is designed to measure capacity or general ability to learn a foreign language and ultimate success in the undertaking. Two standardized aptitude tests have been used in the United States. The Modern Language Aptitude Test (MLAT) and the Peninsula Language Aptitude Battery (PLAB). Both of are English language tests and require students to perform a number of language-related tasks. The MLAT, for example, consists of 5 different tasks. 1. Number learning. Next, phonetic scripts. Next, spelling clues. Word in sentences. And the last paired associates. Okay, secondly, the second test is proficiency test. A proficiency test is not limited to any one course, curriculum, or single skill in the language. Rather, it tests overall ability. Proficiency have traditionally consist of standardized multiple choice items on grammar, vocabulary, reading comprehension, and oral comprehension. A typical example of standardized proficiency test is the test of language as a foreign language, or TOEFL. Next, number 3, placement test. Certain proficiency tests can act in the role of placement tests, the purpose of which is to place a student into a particular level or section of language curriculum or a school. Placement tests come in many varieties, such as assessing comprehension through written and oral performance, open-ended limited responses, depending on the nature of program and its needs. Next, number 4, diagnostic test. Diagnostic test is designed to diagnose specific aspect of a language. A test in pronunciation, for example, may diagnose the phonological features of English. They are difficult for learner and should therefore become part of a curriculum. A typical diagnostic test of a oral production was created by Clifford Prater to accompany a manual of language pronunciation. After multiple listening, the administrator produced a checklist of errors in 5 spirit categories, each of which has several subcategories. The main categories include stress and rhythm, intonation, vowel, consonant, and other factors. And the last test is achievement test. An achievement test is related directly to classroom lesson, unit, or even a total curriculum. Achievement tests are often summative because they are administered at the end of unit of term or study. They also play an important formative role. An effective assessment test will offer respect about the quality of learners' performance in subset of the unit or course. The specification for an achievement test should be determined by The objectives of the lesson, unit or course being assessed. 2. The relative importance or weight assigned to each objective. 3. The tasks employed in classroom lesson during the unit of time. 4. Practicality issues such the time frame for the test and turnaround time. And the last, the extent to which the test structure lends itself to formative feedback. Okay, thank you.